Guys, Pat here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And today I'm building a small set of shelves. Part of the shelves are going to be permanent, non-moving, and the other part I'm going to be putting in some adjustable shelves within that little unit that I'm building. So this is going to be for Mama Rain. She likes to do a lot of her bookkeeping and video editing right there in front of the couch on the floor. Well, this will be a little cabinet that will be used to accommodate pens and pencils and all kinds of other things that she likes to keep handy so she can do her video editing. She's been using a little metal set of shelves that actually I rescued from the dumpster when I was in the Army many years ago. And she's been using that for years, and it's not really a pretty thing. It takes up a little bit of space on the floor in the living room, and so I was just trying to clean this up for her, make things look a little more organized, and hopefully this will make her happy. A lot of times I'll just kind of be looking around the shop thinking, okay, what can I use? What do I have available? What's in my way? So there's a lot of head scratching and wandering around the shop looking for materials. So now that I have most of those materials put together, they're going to look good together. I have most of the pieces cut out, most of the pieces planed down. So now it's a matter of, I got one more dado joint to cut into the side of the cabinet. And I'll go ahead and start from this point and take you guys along and just let you see the process that I go through. Maybe a little bit less talking, maybe a little more doing. Hopefully some of the things that you see might help to give you some ideas if you're just getting into woodworking, what you can do to do the same types of cuts and same types of joinery. And so here we go. silent video. Sometimes it's just nice just to watch something being created, but hopefully this will give you guys some ideas in case you're trying to do something like this. A lot of the concepts in cabinet making and shelf making are the same. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and God bless.